Hello, my expert and creative viewers. Hope you all are safe and sound. Today, I am really excited to bring a brand new tutorial. Before we start, we need a picture without background. So I just removed the background before I start the video, and I have already uploaded how to remove the background. You can watch that and you simply can remove the background. Click on the brush tool and choose the mixer brush tool. Now just make a new layer. Click on picture layer and just take the brush tool and click on the picture. This will take as a part or brush. So actually what mixer brush tool does, it's a powerful painting tool that combines colors and simulates realistic brush stroke similar traditional painting techniques. It allows you to blend colors, create texture, and mimic the look of oil. Hold the Alt key and drag the layer to make a copy below of the picture. Take the brush tool and change the opacity 100% and flow 100%. Now use the brush tool and erase the front areas like this. Just erase and you can see the magic. Okay. Now click on picture layer and go to layer style and select drop shadow to just give a drop shadow for our picture. I'm just making a drop shadow and just adjust it as per. I'm just adjusting the drop shadow. Now click on background color and select the solar color, and we just put a solar color on background. I'm expecting that you already subscribed to my channel and also thumbs up and like, comment, share everything you have done, and I am very thankful about you are spending your time on my tutorial. That's encouraging me to make more tutorial, and thank you very much. Allah bless you.